Hello and welcome to Edinburgh Watch Company. My name is Jonathan, and on today's video I'm going to talk to you about and show you a very special and rare edition watch from TAG Heuer. Now you can find out more about this watch by visiting our website at edinburghwatchcompany.co.uk. There you'll find we'll have some photographs, technical specification and pricing, but of course if you'd like to learn anything more about this fabulous watch, then please just give me a call directly. So this watch that we have here is the TAG Heuer Monaco 24. It's a really special watch. Now I'm a big petrol head, love all things TAG, love all things motorsport, and you can see I've even got the jacket on today to celebrate getting this wonderful watch into our collection here at Edinburgh Watch Company. Now we actually, as I'm shooting this video in August 2019, we've had some really great watches in recently. Only 2 or 3 weeks ago we had that limited edition, the 50th anniversary collection in beautiful claret red colour. We're very, very lucky to get one of 169 watches in the world, and we might even be getting another one in the collection in as well, so we're quite excited about that. Just before this video I shot a video of another Heuer Monaco, and it was the Automobile de Club Monaco. So if you actually just click up there, that'll be a little link to it so you can see that video too. Again, that one was number 88 out of 1200, and that was a Calibre 12 movement. However, this watch we've got here is right at the top of the Monaco range. I had a quick look before shooting this video and see that, you know, they're roughly selling new at around about the £10,000 mark if you can actually find one of them. I bought this watch directly from the original owner, and it comes as a complete set. So you can see here it has its original box, the little wallet there for the warranty cards here. Here we've got the chronometer certificate card, and then here on this one here we have the guarantee card. It's dated 2012, so it's just everything you'd want it to be as a complete set. So let's go and have a closer look at the watch there, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the technical side of the watch just shortly. So just before we start looking around the watch itself, let me just give you a little bit more background on this Monaco 24 chronograph. So it's produced in limited numbers, and it's got the Calibre 36 movement, so that really is the top of the range movement. It runs at 36,000 vibrations per hour, and it's also a chronometer as well, so that's past the Swiss COSC certification, which means it's going to be very accurate. The actual case is a stainless steel case, but it has a black titanium carbide coating, and it's got that open display back as well, so you can see this beautiful movement in action. The sapphire crystal is domed, and it's got the anti-reflective treatment on it as well. The black dial, the chronograph, it's got the seconds at 9 o'clock and the minutes at 3 o'clock, and a rotating system with a display date at 6 o'clock, and you'll see the orange and blue vertical lines of those famous Gulf colours. The strap, which we'll see shortly, is finished in alligator, and it's got that orange stitching to it too. Now the movement in this is actually based upon the Zenith El Primero movement, which is a very famous movement, of course used in Zenith's own range, but also the movement that used to be in the Rolex Daytona, which Rolex customized before they brought their own movement out roundabout in 2001. So it is absolutely stunning. Just look at these colors. So for all the motorsport enthusiasts, if you love TAG and Monaco, you can't get better than this to get an unworn one of these ones here. But you can see here in the top corner, bottom corners here, actually the movement sits on suspension. That's how technical they've gone. These little orange cylinders there are its actual suspension. And then you look at the detail there, you can see how the case is all held together there with the Allen keys there. You look at the perspective here of that thick sapphire crystal and how it's just beautifully married up against the side of the case. You can see the date window there at the bottom, that semicircular action there, and then here on the side you've got the Heuer logo, and again there's Allen key bolts there. We talked earlier about it being the Monaco 24. You've got the enlarged 24 at the top there, and then it just joins this lovely alligator strap with its contrast orange stitching, and then it's mounted onto a carbide coated titanium deployant clasp. And then just look at the back. In fact, what I'll do here is, let me see if I can take this off, and you can see this beautiful El Primero movement in action. Just look at that rotor there as it goes round. It really is very, very special. So if you love TAG, you love Monaco, and you want to go for the ultimate watch, then I think this is definitely one to you to have a look at. So I'll just shortly let you see it on my wrist as well, just to get you some perspective of it. So here we are. Here's a wrist shot. Really, really comfortable watch to wear. My wrist is about 8 inches, so again, it feels very, very comfortable. That kind of gives you a bit of a perspective there on its thickness, but it's just a great looking watch to wear. It's got the real sort of density of the weight on your wrist, but you know, really good fit with the leather strap. The Gulf colours just look amazing on the dial there. You can see the suspension through each of the top corners and the bottom corners there. Very subtle date wheel, and it's just really nice just seeing the orange hands going around. So yeah, a really, really good looking watch. So there we are. That brings us to the end of today's video. So to recap on for you, a TAG Monaco 24 limited production watch. This one is unworn. It's just simply the best of the best. We're going to have it at a really, really good price compared to what you'd have to pay for a new one if you can find one. You'll find this watch on our website. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. I think, as you can see, I absolutely love the watch, and I think you would too. So if you've got family or friends, motorsport enthusiasts, Heuer enthusiasts, why don't you go and share this video with them? But if you'd like to see some of our new videos coming along, or going back and look at our library videos, because we might have shot a video of a watch you're thinking about doing, then it's all on our YouTube channel. Our watches are also on eBay, they're on Facebook, they're on Twitter, they're on Instagram, so all your favorite channels. Thanks for watching today. Please come back and see us soon. And if you'd like to be notified of all the latest videos, then all you have to do is click there. Bye bye.